Hello and welcome to Netlands Group. This is a quick demonstrational video on the installation ease of our new E-B40 and B20 range of indoor battens. The installation of this batten is incredibly easy, so it comes complete with release lugs at either end of the batten, so squeeze them in and the diffuser is released. So it's step number one. Step number two is to disconnect the low voltage cable between the LED driver and the chip. The fitting comes complete with sealing fixings and screws. So next step is to install this to your ceiling or wall surface. There are plenty of options for fixing points all through the batten depending on what substrate you're fixing to. Once that's fixed, the second thing to do is to pull in your cable and connect it. So first and most common cable option, entry option, is the center entry hole, which is already pre-drilled. We also have knockouts on the end of the battens should you want to bring cables in through either end. Just located next to the terminal block we have a cable bridge clamp, which ensures that the cable is kept in place should the fitting be pulled away from the ceiling surface. Second step is to feed the wire under that clamp, and your terminals are already screwed out, ready to receive the wires. Connect your live earth and neutral to the terminal block. Terminal block is large, so you can put multiple cables in should you require into each terminal. Once the cables are secured, test them to make sure that they are fully secured in the terminals, and then you push your little cable bridge clamp down, which secures the cable in position nice and secure. Second last step is to connect your low voltage cable between driver and the LED chip. It does have a color temperature switch option which you can select for powering up the fitting. Sure your cables are nicely inside the gear tray. Line up the diffuser and push it in until you hear a click. That secures the fitting. Power up the fitting and your installation is complete. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you enjoy using this user-friendly product.